It's about that time again, fellas. Valentine's Day is right around the corner and nobody wants to scramble last minute for a gift. Whether he's a tech enthusiast, a home chef, or loves luxury, make sure it's something he'll use and love. We're diving into a curated list of 40 Valentine's Day gift ideas for him. From cool gadgets and EDC essentials to luxurious self-care products and experiences, we've got it all. First up, we're kicking things off with a gift that's both practical and seriously cool. The Sondiko S400 butane torch. Whether he's into caramelizing creme brulee, searing steaks, or toasting marshmallows, this torch adds a touch of culinary firepower to his arsenal. It's refillable, has a comfortable grip, and the flame is adjustable. Imagine him whipping up a gourmet meal with this bad boy in hand. If the guy you're shopping for is sentimental, the Uncommon Goods Ticket Stub Diary is perfect. It holds ticket stubs of all shapes and sizes, with clear sleeves and acid-free pages to prevent fading. It's like a personalized scrapbook of your shared experiences. Most guys have a love-hate relationship with their tech. The Bagsmart electronics organizer is a lifesaver for any guy who travels with tech. It's compact and water-resistant, perfect for any bag. The Drillbrush Power Scrubber is a game-changer. It turns a power drill into a heavy-duty cleaning machine. It's way more fun than scrubbing by hand. Maldon sea salt flakes are in a league of their own. Like gourmet chocolate, it has a delicate, flaky texture and a pure, clean flavor that elevates any dish. Smoked sea salt adds complexity. Perfect for grilled meats or roasted veggies. Dearfoams Scuff slippers are simple, practical and comfortable. They've got a soft plush lining that feels like a warm hug for his feet. Plus, they're available in many colors and patterns. The My Arcade Pac-Man joystick player is a faithful recreation of the classic arcade cabinet, shrunken down to a desktop-friendly size. It's packed with hours of retro gaming fun, complete with the iconic 8-bit graphics and sounds. The joystick and buttons have that satisfyingly clicky feel. The Fly by Jing Triple Threat. Variety Pack is an explosion of flavor for the guy who likes a little heat in his life. Each jar is packed with a unique blend of chilies and spices. It's pure heaven for those who appreciate a good kick. Cacao Chile. Caramels are a unique twist on a classic treat. They combine rich caramel with unexpected heat, made with high-quality chocolate and chili pepper, perfect balance of sweet, salty, and spicy. The Kalita Wave 185 glass dripper is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts. Its flat-bottomed design ensures even extraction and a delicious cup. Plus, the glass looks beautiful on any countertop. Maison Margiela Replica by the Fireplace Eau de Toilette is a warm, inviting scent that evokes cozy nights by a crackling fire. With notes of smoky wood, roasted chestnuts and vanilla, this fragrance is masculine and comforting, perfect for colder months and special occasions. The Everyman Jack Aged Bourbon Beard set is a luxurious treat. It includes a beard wash, conditioner and oil, all infused with aged bourbon and cedarwood. Designed to cleanse, condition and soften unruly beards. The Satechi GAN travel charger is a game changer for portable power. This compact charger uses GAN technology to deliver a ton of power in a small package. It's compatible with fast charging protocols, powering up devices in a flash. The Leatherology thin bifold wallet is both functional and stylish. Made from high-quality leather, it has a slim profile with plenty of card slots, a cash compartment, and an ID window. Personalize it with his initials for an extra special touch. The Volcanica Coffee Essential Bundle delivers freshly roasted beans right to his doorstep. It includes a variety of roasts and origins, so he can find his new favorites. Ugg Ascot slippers are incredibly comfortable, warm, and perfect for lazy days at home. Made from soft, supple suede with a plush sheepskin lining, they feel like a warm hug for your feet. The durable rubber sole means they can be worn outside. Jenny's Ice Cream Valentine's Day collection is a festive way to celebrate. With inventive flavors like Brambleberry Crisp and Salty Caramel, there's something for everyone. Plus, it's a fun treat you can share together. The Shaker and Spoon subscription box is perfect for the aspiring mixologist. Each month, he'll get everything needed to craft unique cocktails at home. It's a fun way to learn, impress friends, and enjoy quality time. The CDLP boxer briefs are the epitome of luxury and comfort. Made from a super soft blend of lyocell and elastane, they feel amazing and have a sleek, modern fit. Once he tries these, he'll never go back to his old underwear. The Solo Stove Mesa XL Tabletop Fire Pit brings warmth and ambience to any tabletop. It's smokeless, so you can enjoy it indoors or outdoors. Just add wood, light it up, and enjoy the cozy vibes. The Porma age-defying trio keeps his hands looking and feeling their best. This set includes a hand cleanser, hand cream, and cuticle oil with vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. The Mark & Graham cigar and whiskey set is a sophisticated gift for the guy who enjoys the finer things in life. It includes a wooden tray, cigar cutter, holder, and 2 whiskey glasses. Personalize it with his initials. Lamp idea. Studio couple custom minifigures are a unique and personalized gift. Custom made to look like you and your significant other, they are sure to become a cherished keepsake. The Casio Men's GA100 XL Series G-Shock in red is bold and stylish. It's shock-resistant, water-resistant, and packed with features. The bright red colorway is sure to turn heads. Welcome to Chapter 25. Explore unique and memorable Valentine's Day gifts. From personalized keepsakes to experiential gifts, show your love and appreciation. Moving on to Chapter 26. This chapter explores the art of giving and receiving. We'll discuss understanding and honoring each other's love languages to make exchanges special. Let's explore Chapter 27. This chapter focuses on the significance of handmade gifts. We'll look at simple yet beautiful DIY gift ideas you can create at home. The effort you put into making something by hand will be appreciated. Welcome to Chapter 28. Explore unique and heartfelt Valentine's Day gifts that go beyond the ordinary. Handmade crafts or personalized items can make a lasting impression. Celebrate love in its most genuine form. Now let's move on to Chapter 29. Here we'll focus on experiences as gifts. A weekend getaway, a cooking class, or a concert of their favorite band create lasting memories. They help bond and grow closer, perfect for Valentine's Day. In Chapter 30, we'll discuss meaningful messages. The most touching gifts are the words we share. Whether it's a letter, a poem, or a simple note, these messages are powerful. It's the love and effort that make them cherished. A title of Chapter 31. Let's dive into this chapter, exploring unique and heartfelt gift ideas for an unforgettable Valentine's Day. From personalized keepsakes to experiences that create lasting memories, this chapter is packed with inspiration. Title of Chapter 32. In this chapter, we explore the art of giving experiences. The best gifts are moments that create lasting memories. Title of Chapter 33. Now, we focus on gifts that speak love through creativity and thoughtfulness. We'll discuss DIY projects and personalized items you can create or order. Welcome to Chapter 34. In this chapter, we'll explore some fascinating aspects you might not have considered before. Often the smallest details can make the biggest impact. Now, let's move on to Chapter 35. We'll explore advanced strategies to elevate your approach. These techniques help you achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. Finally, we arrive at Chapter 36. This chapter is about reflection and consolidation, a chance to look back and see how it all fits together. Welcome to Chapter 37, delving into the heart of our story. We explore intricate details, shedding light on pivotal moments shaping our journey. Each twist uncovers the essence of our characters and their world, a chapter filled with revelations, challenges, and resilience. Welcome to Chapter 38. Dive into unique Valentine's Day gift ideas that make a lasting impression. For tech enthusiasts, fashion aficionados, or book lovers, we've got you covered. Now let's move on to Chapter 39. This chapter is about experiences. The best gifts aren't things, but moments shared. Welcome to Chapter 40. In this chapter, we focus on gifts that pamper. Everyone deserves a little luxury now and then. So there you have it, folks. 40 Valentine's Day gift ideas to impress any gentleman. Show him how much you care this Valentine's Day.